Hi, I'm going to present a field experiment on how goals affect our behavior and how we can use goal setting to save water and energy in our everyday lives. Having a goal as a reference point can motivate us to put in more effort in order to achieve that goal, even when it's not tied to an explicit reward. This has been shown by many studies. At the same time, digitization creates new opportunities for goal setting. For example, through advances in smart metering technology. In our field experiment, we study how goals and feedback provided through a smart meter can encourage water conservation behavior in an everyday household activity. Our sample includes over 500 households in Singapore, which is one of the most water-stressed countries in the world, and it lasts for 4 to 6 months. The specific behavior we target is water use in the shower, because showering is in fact one of the most water-intensive household activities, using up at least 30 liters or 8 gallons of water per person every day. The households in our sample receive smart meters that can be installed directly in the shower to measure the amount of water used. These smart meters also have a display that can show all kinds of different information in real time. We have 7 experimental groups into which households are randomly assigned. In the control group, the smart meter is programmed to only ever show water temperature, which is really not that useful. Then we have a real-time feedback group where there's a baseline phase in the beginning of 20 showers, where the display also only shows water temperature. But after the baseline phase, the device starts providing real-time feedback on the amount of water currently used. So basically, you're standing in the shower, and then there's this display that says 20 liters, 20.1 liters, 20.2 liters, and so on. And finally, we have 5 goal groups, where we also have the baseline of 20 showers, and then real-time feedback afterwards. But in addition to that feedback, each subject receives a goal. We have 5 different where people are told that they should try to keep the amount of water they use below that goal. And we have 5 different goals, which are exogenously assigned to a household. These goals range from very difficult, try to stay below 10 liters per shower, to very easy, try to stay below 35 liters. To estimate the average treatment effects, we use the difference in differences design that we have and look at how water use per shower changes from the baseline to the intervention phase. And what we see is that real-time feedback alone already reduces water use per shower by about 1.7 liters. But we can do even better when we add a goal to that, with the exception of the 35-liter goal, the easiest goal. But we can see that the most effective goal, the 15-liter goal, reduces water use per shower by almost 4 liters. This U-shaped pattern is also exactly what psychologists would have predicted. The best goals are challenging but not too challenging. These differential effects also remain fairly stable over the entire 4 months of our study duration. Finally, we can take a closer look at how goals affect our behavior at a more granular level. So this graph basically shows what is the probability that I stop showering right now, depending on how far away I am currently from the goal that I received. And what we can see is that there's a huge spike in probability just below the goal. So people like to stop in the very last moment before they start exceeding their goal. This kind of suggests that people receive a warm glow from managing to achieve a goal, just like I just did because I managed to stay below 5 minutes. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in person sometime.